Hello everyone, my name is Sandro Guamaní Prado. I am from Peru, so I am Peruvian. I live in Lima. I am 20 years old. I like Peruvian food, especially ceviche and lomo saltado. I also like pizza, but I don't like spicy food. I love listening to music, especially dancing, but I don't like singing. My free time, I like to play sport and read. I also like spend time with my friends, but I don't like watching TV. That's all about me. Thank you.